This is Dr. Sheila Tikku speaking for class second year manganese. The compounds of manganese. Occurrence. Manganese occurs relatively abundantly in the atmosphere because manganese has its different forms. Manganese dioxide is known as pyrolusite, manganese trioxide as bauxite, manganese tetraoxide as thauminite. Extraction. Manganese is obtained from the oxides. Extraction of oxide with carbon. Manganese is extracted from carbon with heavy and heated with in an electric furnace. This heating separate out manganese and carbon dioxide. Manganese obtained is not pure, so it is then undergone theoretical amount of carbon is used to produce it in the form we want. An aluminothermic process. Manganese dioxide is treated with aluminum to produce manganese, and this manganese is then treated with water to produce manganese hydroxide. Compounds of manganese. Manganese shows different types of oxidation states. Compound in +2 oxidation state are manganese oxide, which is prepared by treating manganese dioxide with hydrogen. Then we have manganese 2 hydroxide, which is produced by the reaction between manganese dichloride and sodium hydroxide. Manganese 2 chloride. It is produced by the reaction of manganese oxide and HCl. This process is done in an electric furnace. Manganese 2 sulfate. This is prepared by the reaction between manganese dioxide and sulfuric acid. The residue is digested with water. Manganese nitrate. It is prepared by the reaction between nitric acid and manganese carbonate. This is highly soluble in water, so it is heated and produced. Manganese carbonate. Manganese carbonate is produced by the reaction between manganese sulfate and sodium carbonate. Manganese 3 oxide. Manganic acid. It is produced by the reaction between manganese and water. Chemistry of manganese 4. manganese 4 oxide. This is produced by reflexing pyrolusite, which forms manganese dioxide plus nitrogen dioxide. It can also be prepared by alkaline oxidation of manganese salt. Manganese dioxide reacts with HCl to form manganese dichloride. Chemistry of manganese 4. It forms most compounds with potassium. Chemistry of manganese 6. Manganese 6 exists as manganate ion and it is formed when tetramanganese is reacted with water and carbon dioxide. Manganese 6 oxide, it is formed by the reaction between manganese sulfate and sodium carbonate. Manganate permanganate is formed when manganese dioxide is reacted with potassium hydroxide. Compounds of manganese 7. Manganese 7 heptaoxide is a dark green colored solution due to manganate. It is formed when potassium manganate reacts with sulfuric acid. Permanganic acid HMnO4, it is formed by the reaction with barium, manganese tetraoxide and sulfuric acid. It forms permanganate acid plus barium sulfate. Potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate is a chemical highly used in factories and in home for disinfectant. It is formed by the reaction between manganese dioxide, potassium hydroxide and oxygen. Then we have the action of hydrogen on potassium permanganate. When potassium permanganate is reacted with hydrogen, it forms a long chain of compounds, and this total reaction is due to oxidation in neutral medium, which is done for toluenes, nitrotoluenes and different catalytic compounds. Next is the reaction in acidic medium. When potassium permanganate reacts with sulfuric acid, it forms potassium sulfate plus manganese sulfate plus water. This is a long reaction which is done on cathode and anode.